In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items to groups with automations in Monday.com. If you're organizing work on Monday.com, groups are a great way to separate items by status, stage, or team. Setting up an automation to move new items into the right group can save time and keep your boards clean and consistent. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, head to your Monday.com home. This is your central hub, and it ensures you're starting from the right place. From here, open your workspaces. Workspaces help you keep boards organized by department or project, so choose the workspace that contains the board you want to automate. Open the board where you want items to be sorted automatically. On that board, look for the Automate option in the top bar and click it. This opens the Automation Center where you can explore ready-made recipes or build your own. Inside the Automation Center, you can browse categories if you're exploring, or use the search bar if you know what you need. Searching is often faster. Try keywords like move item or group. For maximum control, select Create from Scratch. This lets you build a custom recipe tailored to your exact workflow. You'll see a simple "when this happens, then do this" layout. Start by choosing the trigger. Click the When This Happens section and select the Item Created trigger. This means the automation will run every time a new item is added to this board, whether it's created manually, via a form, or through an integration. Now define the action. Click, then do this and pick Move Item to Group. This action tells Monday.com exactly what to do after a new item appears. Next, choose the target group. Click the group field and select the group from the list of groups that already exist on your board. Make sure the group you want is already set up and clearly named so you're moving items to the right place. Once your trigger and action look correct, finalize by selecting Create Automation. Monday.com will confirm that the automation is active and you'll see it listed in your board's automations. If you ever need to adjust it later, you can come back to the Automation Center to edit, pause, or delete it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Check that you have the right permissions to manage automations on the board, avoid creating duplicate automations that can move items back and forth, and keep group names clear so your team knows what each section represents. This simple setup helps new items land exactly where they belong automatically every time.